Coming up, lots of garbage truck toys. Come on, let's go play. Min Min, playtime.
Today we're showing all the rubbish trucks what we have today. Hey, what's in here? I'm kidding. Wait. What? Huh? Let's take it in. Isn't it amazing? How to put this on? Wind it up. Yeah. It's a mini bigger bugger. It's these bubbles. A fire truck, a farm, and nothing else. A sailing boat. Beep, beep. Let's see what's next. Did you even say that? I think on the subscribe button right now. Min Min, bye.
Swept by current, swallowed by wind. Take heed, they'll say, no, no, no need to get out. Just stay on a lovely holiday.
Coming up. Come on, let's go play.
So what's your problem?
I need someone to mow my lawn.
Okay.
I'll pay you $50.
$50! I'm so hot. No, my leg's break. Oh no! Who stole my lawnmower? Let's ring the police. Ring, police! What's your emergency? My lawnmower is stolen. I'll be on my way. I was just eating my lunch and then it disappeared. Bingo! Freeze! Hands up! Do that.
Yeah.
Need a hole in here.
Yeah.
Then let's put some total in.
Three.
Yeah,
Should we dig?
and adults in. Mia! And adults in here. Oh, Mia, no. It looks like a volcano, but not lava. 3, 2, 1, go!
Or at least
Yum yum. In there.
Wait, I've got some more.
No, it doesn't work.
Ding a little.
It doesn't work. 3, 2, 1. No.
Then Coke.
So you're gonna put a Mentos or two in?
Yeah, grab a pack, bro.
We're going to put all the Mentos in.
Jam it down that one and hold it in there and it might go pew.
Safety first. We do it safely or not at all, don't we, Ella?
What's going to happen?
Absolutely, it's going to go everywhere.
No way.
Pachow.
Final countdown.
3.
Told you it's not gonna work.
Barely.
okay. We have some different flavors if you look down there. We've never seen anyone else use those flavors. Maybe it will work, maybe it won't work. We'll find out. We're gonna have a Mentos, a normal Mentos, with a Diet Coke.
Safety gear.
Stand back, stand back. Whoa!
Wait. So, guys, really big wave. It's gonna be ginormous. So, ready?
Oh, that's so hard! We're gonna do 9 Mentos. Oh, that was high. This is a whole packet in here, and 1 normal Coca-Cola.
3, 2, 1. Let's go!
3 of them missed. Oh no.
Look, that's almost a whole bottle. It's like down like this. Let's eat it, guys.
Don't eat it.
We're gonna shake this one and see what happens.
Alright, let's try the green ones this
Hey
time.
guys, and
Green one.
please do this at home. It's so fun. Try this out at home and hit that subscribe button.
Do you think this is gonna go higher or the same, lower, or not go at all?
Same.
I think it's gonna go just a little bit lower. Let's see.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, it's stuck in the tube. So, and we're gonna put the fruity in, but I don't think it's gonna work at all. What do you think, Hamish?
I think it's gonna work, but only like a little bit.
Let's see.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, what? Oh, that's so high! Oh, what? Oh, that's so high!
Yay, I won!
I did not think that was gonna work.
So high! Oh! Did anything come out? It's not moving. That's good. It went all fizzy and like hard and weird in my mouth. Yeah, we had to get a bigger tube because the other one was small for the box.
How many packets?
Like 5.
3, 2, 1.
Only 1 got in there. Serious. 1 got in there. 1.
Okay, Kat. Video's finished.